It's quite a lot to unpack there, but like
Yeah.
starting out in terms of the educational route, like Cambridge, was Cambridge always such like a renowned school, even back then as well?
Cambridge is a sort of world-class university. I found it initially incredibly intimidating, but eventually I absolutely loved it, and I realised about halfway through my second year, the second term of my second year, that the university was just all that they were trying to do was teach us how to think. And once I realised that, I couldn't unrealise that. I couldn't unthink it. This subject you were studying was just the means and method to teach you how to think, but it was illuminating, and it changed my life forever.
I can imagine. Was it always on the cards for you, that sort of like higher academic, right? Or
I've always enjoyed academic study, and I wanted to see how far I could take it.
And trading, as you mentioned, as you did chemistry in your PhD.